Just a small exercise for you to relax yourself. That is, we've been seeing about the vowels and the consonants, and so your mind needs a little bit of relaxation. So just a small activity for you to do. So in the picture, I have the picture of an engine. So I'm supposed to underline the vowel in each word, and then I'm going to write the vowels in the space provided and then color the picture. So we are going to pick out the vowels, underline the vowels in these words, and then write the vowels in these blanks, and then we are going to color the picture. So as of now, we are going to underline the vowels. So the first word is cat. So I underline the vowel. So the word cat. So I underline A. In the next word, bat. So the vowel A. The next word, toy. So the vowel O. The next word I have rug. The vowel U. The next word I have tin, and I have the vowel I. The next word pig. I have the vowel I again. Boy. I have the vowel O. And the word pen, and I have the vowel E. So for cat, I have the vowel A, bat, vowel A, toy, vowel O, rug, vowel U, tin, vowel I, pig, vowel I, boy, vowel O, pen, vowel E. So we have the 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U, and I'm going to write it in these blanks. So I'm going to write A, E, I, O and U. So these are the 5 vowels, and then you need to color the vowels. So when you are free, you can color the vowels. This is just a small activity for you to relax your mind. Now we will move on to another exercise wherein we have to fill in the correct article in the blank. We either use a, an or the. So a is used before a consonant, an is used before a vowel, and the is used for specific things and which are singular. So let us move on to the first sentence. We can see dash at night. So then there are only one particular star. So then we use the definite article, that is the. So the is known as the definite article. So we use the. We can see the stars at night. So I use the article the. We can't use a or an. We use the article the. We can see the stars at night. The next sentence is, I saw dash eagle sitting on my terrace. So the word eagle begins with the alphabet E, which is a vowel, and so I use the article an. I saw an eagle sitting on my terrace. I use the article an because the word begins with a vowel E. The next sentence is, we will be going to dash tomorrow. So there's only a particular zoo. So then I use the article the. We will be going to the zoo tomorrow. The next sentence is, my mother gave me dash 5 rupee coin to get a pen for myself. So the word 5 begins with a consonant F. So in that case, I use the article a. My mother gave me a 5 rupee coin to get a pen for myself. So I use the article a because the word 5 begins with a consonant F. Next, Raj went to dash school by a school bus. So Raj went to the school. So I use the word, the article the. Raj went to the school by a school bus. So I use the article the. The next sentence is dash aeroplane was flying in the sky. So the word aeroplane begins with the alphabet A, which is a vowel. So I use the article an. An aeroplane was flying high in the sky. The next sentence, Mom, please tell me dash story of Snow White. So there's only one story of Snow White. Then we use the article the. Mom, please tell me the story of Snow White. So I use the article the. The next sentence is Karen has not even read dash single word since morning. So the word single begins with the alphabet S, which is a consonant. So then I write the article as not. So Karen has not even read a single word since morning. So I use the article because the word single begins with the alphabet S, which is a consonant. So let us read the sentences once again. We can see the stars at night. I saw an eagle sitting on my terrace. We will be going to the zoo tomorrow. My mother gave me a 5-rupee coin to get a pen for myself. Raj went to the school by a school bus. An aeroplane was flying high in the sky. Mom, please tell me the story of Snow White. Karen has not even read a single word since morning. So we have made use of the articles a, an and the, and we have placed the article a before a word that begins with a consonant, and we have used the article an before words that begins with the vowels a, e, I, o and u.